we're going to find the value, the amount that is filled over time on a cylinder. First thing you want to do is look at your question, which is right here. What is the percent of the cylinder filled after 10 hours? So we know we're looking for 10 hours. The first thing we need to do is find the amount that is filled in 10 hours, which we don't know. To do this, we need to find rate of change and convert it to unit rate. My first point will be x1, y1, x2, y2. Y2 is 100 minus y1, which is 60. Then we're going to go ahead and continue with the formula. We're going to do 5, which is x2, minus 3, which is x1. I'm going to get 40 over 2. That is my rate of change. But I need unit rate. That way I can find out what is missing for 10. To have unit rate, I have to divide by the denominator, which is 2. And I'm going to get 20 over 1. For each one, it's worth 20. To find 10, I'm going to multiply 10 times 20. And I'm going to get a total of 200. That means in 10 hours, it's filled by 200. Now we have the table value. So if we follow our notes, we need the table value plus the volume of a cylinder, which is pi r squared times height. This is giving me diameter. I need to find the radius, which is half. Half of 8 is 4. So my radius is 4 for this cylinder. My height is 7. In my calculator, I'm going to find the value. I'm going to clear it. Please follow along as you do it. If you don't have a pi symbol at home, when you do it, you can use 3.14. But I'm going to press pi times my radius, which is 4. Press my square button, which is here, times my height, which is 7. I'm going to get my volume is equal to, when I round to the nearest tenth, this 5 will raise it to a 9. So it's 351.9 feet cubed. I have my value and I have my table value. My table value is 200. That has to be divided by my volume, which is 351.9. Whatever that equals, I need to multiply it by 100 to get which will equal my percent. So let's do this together. I'm going to clear it. I'm going to get 200. Press the divide button. 351.9. This number is what I want to change to a percent. So for a percent, it's out of 100. Okay? Try to put it where you can see. I'm going to multiply by 100 times 100. And this is the percent, but I want to round to the nearest tenth. 3 will not raise it, so 56.8%. 56.8% filled after 10 hours. So again, please follow your steps. Make sure you have the value for each cylinder you're trying to calculate, plus the table. What is the amount filled for the hours they're asking? When you divide, whatever number you get, that number, you're going to multiply by 100 to create the percent. You don't need to write anything crazy. This is perfect. What is the percent after how many hours? You don't need a huge sentence. I'm not looking for that.